Hello, my name is Machi Kaneko. I'm a first year student at Swiss Hotel Management School. Today I'm going to talk about my first internship. First, I will introduce about the hotel and my working place. And then I will separate into two main parts. First part is analysis on my internship planning objective that I set in PIT class. And second part is personal self-assessment. I did my internship in the Ritz-Carlton Osaka. Location is Osaka, Japan. Osaka is the second most populous place in Japan, and this hotel is central of Osaka. Near the hotel, they have Osaka Station that is the biggest station in Osaka. It is very convenient to go everywhere. Therefore, not only Japanese, but also many foreigners are visiting this hotel. I'm going to introduce my working place. In this internship, I chose F&B service. I was working two different restaurants, Italian restaurant and Japanese restaurant. My internship was 6 months. I started my internship from 1st of July. For 3 months, I worked at Italian restaurant, and then 1 month and a half, I worked at Japanese restaurant. After that, I worked at Italian restaurant again until 26th of December. Basically, I worked at Italian restaurant Splendido. This restaurant is all-day dining. I worked breakfast, lunch, and afternoon. In the breakfast, many foreigners is coming, such as Chinese and Korean, so I had a chance to use English a little. But in the lunch and afternoon time, most of customers are Japanese people. However, it was good for me because I can use Japanese, so I could talk with the guests deeply. This is the job description. In this restaurant, job description is not too much and simple, but really busy and hard. We don't have enough time, staff, and equipment. Sometimes in the morning, 300 guests was coming. At that time, I ran out of strength in breakfast time. But my manager said, if you can get used to work in this restaurant, you can work in any restaurant. So I was able to gain confidence. For the first time, F&B manager gave me a chance to work the other restaurant for 1 month. So I chose Japanese restaurant because I thought it's nice experience to learn Japanese culture in Japan. Therefore, for the 1 month and a half, I worked at Japanese restaurant Hanagatami. This is the job description. In this restaurant, I was wearing kimono by myself every day. It was really hard and difficult. I need 30 minutes to wear the kimono. Recently, the opportunity to wear the kimono is fair, so it is valuable experience for me. Next, I will talk about my internship planning objective. I set 3 main parts. Actually, I didn't have much time to use English in this internship because in this hotel, the most of guests were Japanese people. But in the morning, many foreigners was coming, so I had a chance to speak English. However, breakfast time is the most busy time, and many guests have to quick to eat breakfast, so sometimes it's a little bit difficult. I thought I need more chance to use English. So next internship, I want to challenge the other country to use English more and want to learn the other language. As I have mentioned, I worked at 2 different restaurants, Italian restaurant and Japanese restaurant. Of course, dishes and atmosphere are all different. Furthermore, Italian service and Japanese service are really different. All of things are very important to work in the restaurant, hotel, and also the other place. I think they are useful for the second semester and in the future because second semester we will organize the banquet in the class. I think it is helpful what I learned at my internship. My communication skill is not good because I'm a little bit shy, so it is difficult for me to talk at first time. But when I'm working, I have to talk with the guests, so I'll be nervous each time. But sometimes some guests say me thank you with smiling. So when I saw the guest smile, I thought I want to do something more to the guest. So I tried to talk to the guest and I listened to the voice of the guest. I think this is important when I work in the future. Next part is personal self-assessment. In this internship, I have had a lot of experience for the first time, living alone and working for full time and so on. It was very tough and hard, but it changed me. It made me grow up. And also, I don't have friends in Osaka because I have been to there just one time. So I became homesick. I was very lonely and stressful, but my colleague talked to me, so I felt better. In the hotel, many people were helping me. I saw the teamwork is very important. I appreciate it very much. Italian restaurant, they are very busy. We can't stop to work during working, except break time. There is only 1 hour to change from breakfast to lunch. In addition, only 30 minutes to change from lunch to afternoon. Every day, we don't have much time to change it. However, no matter what happened, they complete the buffet. I saw it is really professional. I think it can't experience unless I actually work at a hotel, so it was good experience for me. I became to feel sense of responsibility because if I make a mistake, it may cause a trouble. We must take responsibility for the work given to us. We should think about customers first. I felt these things especially while I was working. In this internship, I learned a lot of things. I really enjoyed my internship in the Ritz-Carlton Osaka. I appreciate all of them that I met in this internship. Thank you.